In this video, we'll be covering the Students section of my classes. On the My Classes page of Rekods Schools, you can see all the classes you've been assigned to as a teacher from this drop-down menu. You also have access to various reports and various options for a given class. Under the Students section, you'd be presented with the latest grades for each student in your class. This is based on the graded assignments you've provided for that class. Instead of waiting till the end of the term to calculate grades, Rekods Schools calculate the scores once every 24 hours, ensuring that you have the latest status of your students at any given point. Now, the other thing to mention here is that the current score here is based on the overall grade of the student, and then it shows you the grade in letter form if your school has it that way. And then in this section, you would see the average scores for each class type. So currently for this class, we've only provided classwork and project, but we've only grade one student assignment in the project. So you see the average for classwork, but if we've provided homeworks, quizzes, or projects, we will see the average scores for each student at any given point here. This also makes it easy to track student performance in real time without having to wait till the end of the term to generate a report. Now, suppose as a teacher, I want to have more context on my students. For example, I see that Nicole Taylor here is doing very poorly in my class. I want to get more context on Nicole. I click on Nicole and I'm taken to Nicole's details page where I can see her contacts, that is her parents or guardians. If I want to reach out to any of them, I can also see her performance across all other classes in that term, not just for my class. So here I can see that Nicole's overall term average is 19% across her classes, which isn't good. I can also see all the classes that she's taken, and I can see that this is my class where she's scoring a 0%. Under Assignments Completion column, we can see that I've given one assignment which Nicole has submitted. I can also see all performance in the other classes she's taking this term. So in this case, let me just take one of these as an example. I can see that Nicole is taking life science, and when I click on this, I see all the assignments that she's been graded on in the life science class. I also see her average score in that class, as well as the highest and lowest scores. This visibility helps me get a good sense of Nicole's overall performance so that I have better context for her performance in my class. I can also see that for attendance, Nicole has been present 7 out of 7 days. And that's because there have been 2 classes where attendance has been taken. So I can see that Nicole has been 100% present in my class for all 3 times I took attendance, and she's been 100% present in this other class as well. This tells us Nicole has not been skipping her classes. It just so happens that she hasn't been doing well in my class. This helps me as a teacher get a good picture of Nicole as a student. If she has been late or absent at any point in the term, we will see those details listed down here. And that's it for the Students section of My Classes. Thank you.